Hello there, Jose Rodriguez here again. Yesterday I received an interesting question from a viewer. He apparently has a source for very low cost CLI-8 OEM cartridges for the Canon Pro 9000 Mark II. Now these cartridges are physically identical to the ones that the Pro-100 uses, the CLI-42 cartridges. This is a CLI-8, this is a CLI-42, identical in shape. So what he wants to know is whether he can just buy those CLI-8 cartridges, swap over the chips from the CLI-42s and use those. Well, sure. The only difference is that the Pro-100 does not utilize red and it does not utilize green inks. So you will have to use your original gray and light gray. Those are the colors that they have injected into the same 8 color ink set. So you will have to use grays from Precision Colors and your source for OEM for the rest of the colors. You should have a nice hybrid set for that Pro 100. You will, however, have to produce profiles for it. You may have a slight mismatch of the ink spectra between magenta from the CLI-8 and magenta from the Pro 100. They will not be exactly the same. The same thing goes with the yellow from the Pro 9000, the CLI-8, and the yellow from the Pro 100 CLI-42s. They're not going to be perfect matches, but you will get reasonably good color and even better matching if you create a custom profile. So yes, go ahead and do that. If any of us had that choice, I think I would have approached it a long time ago as well. But yeah, it should work again, but remember, it's not going to be a perfect match, but you should be able to get some reasonably good color reproduction out of that hybrid set. All right, that is it for now. Very quick, as I promised. I went out to get my car washed, and lo and behold, in the waiting area they had a Keurig, so I made myself some Green Mountain coffee. Gotta have my coffee, otherwise I pass out. All right, thank you once again. Keep the support going. Please subscribe, share, and like as always. And until the next time, everyone, happy printing. Bye-bye.